Welcome back to Old Paulson's Garage. As you've seen, Eric was taking apart the engine. I was not here. No affiliation with what I'm wearing. He had some issues where some threads didn't work, a bolt broke, and I don't know if you guys can see it correctly, but yeah, so we're gonna go and tap those out. We're gonna take this lower oil pan up because it's cracked here, and he's gonna do a reseal oil wise, coolant wise, and then we reassemble, as Eric's standing in the way, reassemble the engine and trans to put in this thing.
This is a challenge you wanted to get to. Okay, I'm gonna take that pipe off, this tube off first.
This has a body cooler on it?
Yep.
That's weird.
That's what I said when I seen it. Yep. Sounds about right.
Wow.
Those are not 10s. Yeah, so I don't know how well you guys can see it, but right here, there's some stuff missing. One of the bolts decided to pull half the threads out with it, so I've got to. Woo! I've been shot. Oh, let's see, is it an 11 or a 12? They are 11s. Sweet.
Is that what it did? We could use the one with the bad threads?
Do I?
Oh, I'm talking to myself.
Oh.
Myself doesn't answer.
Matt's going crazy, guys. Just ignore him.
I've been going insane for a while. This is definitely too short. Did you know it was Men's Mental Health Month?
Is it?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
You know why you don't know? Because nobody cares. I have forgotten how heavy that is. No, only they made it. Bench tall enough.
All right, you know what?
I need to level my block, so I'm going to need some level.
Matt with the dad jokes. I don't like those threads. I don't think those threads are going to hold. I don't know. I don't know if how much I like these threads, Matt. Oh, it just feels loose. That's not the bad ones up here. I was using that for comparison.
I didn't even tap it all the way through yet.
Well, no, it's because this is getting in the way.
Oh. You're using the stupid T-handle thing, right?
Yep. Do you have something else? Can you at least start it by hand first? Well, I guess that's one way to clean threads.
It's threaded.
What the hell's sticking in there? And I thought I made a mess.
In your pants. There's oil in my coolant. Jeez.
Well, guess what's gonna need flushed? Okay. Now the fun part. Ew. Back off.
Oh, you're wearing dirty clothes.
Dirty, not oily.
You tapped out that other one now?
Hmm?
You tapped out that other one now?
Yeah, I got all these ones tapped out.
Well, you're putting the
I don't know why.
this one here.
Yep.
You gotta get that out.
Yep, I tapped these two out. Yeah, we need to get that one out. These two are tapped out.
I'm gonna go find your other parts. So since we cleaned up the threads on these bolts, Eric's gonna hold the engine still and the harness out of my way. Boy, this is tiring.
How far do you want to drill?
So the battery dies? We're through. Okay, so I hammered a Torx bit in here and we're gonna try to spin this backwards. How tight did you get this, Eric? Oh, where's the adapter?
You mean an adapter that's going to snap off?
We never did find the impact style one, did we? We broke all the other ones. I get Eric. Oh, there's one right there. I found one. Something's gonna give. I don't know if I should be putting the hammer on that. I'm talking about the head, not the ratchet.
Nope. It's slipping out of there. I can see it.
That's twisty.
So do we just start drilling the bolt out? Or just say screw it and not put that one back in?
Let's see, we got.
Those three there.
Yeah, fuck. We're just gonna delete this. Now we just need to find bigger bits. That was the biggest out of that kit.
This is not gonna be. This is probably too big.
Nope. That is like perfect neck size.
You're welcome.
Wrong way.
Hey Matt, that was the wrong way. Or not. You're spinning. I'm just taking off some accessories while I'm waiting.
How much battery life do we have, Eric?
Probably not much.
How much memory do we have, Eric?
I'm gonna guess probably not much.
Well, we're drilling that bolt out, and the head cam decided it was gonna just stop working because the battery died. So that's plugged in, and then this camera says, "Oh, my memory's full. I took 500 burst photos for no reason." Is that attached to the front covers then?
The alternator, yes.
Yeah, okay.
At least I think it is. Actually, it might not be.
Did you get the thermostat
I got
like I told you to?
I got the thermostat gasket, not the actual thermostat.
So you got a thermostat. If you get in the gasket, it comes with it.
Not this one.
Strange. Well, anyways. This is going to be like a 500-part episode of what the heck are we doing?
I don't know. We're just doing stuff. We're taking bolts off. That's all we're doing.
I think we're going too far.
Are we?
No. We're painting it pink, right?
Yep.
You heard that. He's painting it pink. Eric,
Yes.
what the heck did you do?
I did a lot of stuff.
Well, as you can see, Eric has gone ahead and tore down his engine for resealing.
And I might have screwed up a little bit. So I didn't realize that this engine, they put the timing chain sensor in the front cover, and it bolts right here. So I went and pulled the front cover off, not realizing that was a tensioner, and yeah, it chipped a little bit of the guide. I think we're good though, but I'm just hoping this doesn't go out of time because I don't want to retime this.
Well, you have spare guides over there.
I do, yeah. But I'm hoping that this didn't jump time.
Yeah, I can't help you on that.
Shoot. Yeah. Fun times.
So you got the oil pan off, front cover off,
Valve cover off.
valve cover off.
I'm now going to work on the lower or the upper oil pan.
We're replacing the upper oil pan because something broke. Yeah, a crack there.
I don't know how well you guys are going to see that, but
Also, that's broken.
Yep.
So Eric, you want to update the viewers on what we've progressed to do so far without recording? Because okay, take two. Hey Eric, you want to explain to them what we were doing?
So we basically resealed the entire engine except for the valve cover. I still got to put that on, but we've kind of changed a few things since the last clip that we recorded. Originally we were talking about replacing this upper oil pan gasket, but as we looked at it, we realized that there's a balance shaft that is integrated into the upper oil pan. And I didn't feel like doing all that, at least for these purposes, so we decided that we're just gonna slap it back together. I'm not really leaking from the upper oil pan anyway, so there was really no need to change it. The biggest reason we're going to change it is because of that this crack right here that we showed earlier, if you could see it.
By the way, we didn't get JB Weld.
Oh shit.
But yeah, we were not recording because dealing with silicone is sticky. I've been in and out of the shop doing yard work still, and I've just been leaving Eric alone and either sitting here and being bossed around with lifting and lowering.
I asked you, I didn't tell you. I asked, hey Matt, can you lift this up for me, please? So, yeah, I used a different oil pan. The oil pan from the car that I got was much better condition than my original oil pan. So I swapped that around, got that sealed up, got the front cover on. Matt did the rear main seal on this, and now I'm getting ready to put the valve cover back on.
And another reason why we're not using this one is because he's wanting to build the other engine he's got into a turbo engine. Well, if we don't have this,
There's not much
we can do about it. So we're just gonna ship it.